Hello, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you a grilled cheese sandwich that my twin sister suggested that I try. She said this is her favorite sandwich, so I told her I'd give it a go. So here we are. Ingredients: some sourdough bread, okay, the boar's head deli ham, okay. I have here 2 slices of the Kraft American cheese, fried egg. You can use regular butter, but this is the one I'm choosing to use for this sandwich. Okay, now that my pan is hot, I'm going to butter bread. Okay. Put down a slice of cheese. Put my egg down. Now I'm going to add some ham or any kind of meat you choose to use. She said ham, so I'm going with ham. Add your own little twist to it, of course. Then we're going to add my other slice of cheese. Y'all never had a grilled cheese sandwich with an egg on it. Butter the other side of our bread. I'm just going to let that brown. Okay, this side is brown. And y'all, my mama had a lot of kids. I mean, a lot of kids. A lot of kids. It could be browner. Okay, it's done. And I do not mash my grilled cheese sandwich. Okay. This is what it looked like. I'm going to try it, y'all. Hope she ain't stir me wrong. She gonna hear about it. It looks good. Y'all see that? Okay. Let me get into it. Okay. This is good. Okay, baby girl. Thanks for the suggestion. Thanks for the suggestion. Y'all want some? Here you go. Take a bite. Don't eat it all now. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate your time. Until the next video, have a blessed one.